A very handy part of SwissSalary 365 is the part of salary declaration. After processing the payroll throughout the year, a big amount of data is collected. This information has to be transferred to different recipients as the cantonal compensation offices or the cantonal tax at source offices. The declaration is very simple and will save the users a lot of time compared to filling out forms. To start a new salary declaration, I click in the actions of my role center on Salary Declaration. As you can see, I have multiple institutions where I can send my data to. The data will be transferred highly secured and will always be protected. I choose the end date of the declaration period and choose the institution where I want to send my data to. On the top, I click on Declare. As soon as the declaration is processed and completed, I can check my declarations here. As you can see, some declarations were successful and some had errors. In any case, I can check more info by clicking on the number in the declaration column.